Review Mazda CX-50 2023. Open for sale in the US market with prices starting from $26,800. This will be a competitor to the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Nissan X-Trail. The new CX-50 has a rather aggressive appearance that is considered Mazda's effort to create an SUV capable of impressive off-road performance, but without having to trade too much in terms of comfort and technology of the car on road. Mazda CX-50 is a C-size SUV that was first introduced in the US market in November last year. After 1 year of launch, the new Mazda CX-50 2023 is sold in the second market in the world, which is China. CX-50 is one of 5 new SUV models that Mazda is and will launch to the market. Besides the CX-50, there is also the Mazda CX-60, CX-70, CX-80, and all new 2024 Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-50 2023 has a design length of 4,785 millimeters, a width of 1,920 millimeters, a height of 1,638 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 2,815 millimeters. With this size, the Mazda CX-50 2023 is positioned in the C-size SUV segment, competing with Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Nissan X-Trail. Compared to the Mazda CX-5 2022, the CX-50 is 210 millimeters longer, 75 millimeters wider, 47 millimeters lower, while the wheelbase has increased by 115 millimeters. Not only has the larger size, the Mazda CX-50 2023 also owns a more aggressive and Vietnamese design than the CX-5. Still applying the typical Kodo design language of the Japanese brand, the Mazda CX-50 2023 has an impressive black grille. The thick border surrounding the grille is also painted in the same black color. Connected to the grille is a cluster of LED headlights, integrated with LED daytime running lights. Entering the cabin, the Mazda CX-50 2023 retains the driver-focused design style and is finished with materials such as leather. In addition, the highlight of the all-new CX-50 lies in the picnic-style seating system. The storage compartments have also been tweaked to better suit the needs of users. Mazda CX-50 2023 is equipped with a central entertainment screen with a size of 8 to 10.25 inches, depending on the version. The gear lever and steering wheel are covered with leather, especially the CX-50 Turbo version is integrated with gearshift paddles on the steering wheel. The second row of the Mazda CX-50 2023 car has a fairly spacious space, providing a more comfortable and different feeling for users. In addition, the rear seats can be folded in a 40-60 ratio to increase storage space. CX-50 2.5S Premium offers a high-end audio system with 12 Bose speakers, 6-way power passenger seats, leather seats, and high-quality decorative materials, HUD display screen, wireless phone charger. On the 2.5S preferred version, it adds a heated rearview mirror with front and rear armrests, 8-way power driver's seat. The 2.5S Preferred Plus version is equipped with an electric sliding panoramic sunroof. Similar to the Mazda CX-5, the 2023 Mazda CX-50 will be equipped with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine that produces 187 horsepower and 252 Newton-meters of maximum torque. In the CX-50 Turbo version is equipped with a powerful 2.5L turbocharged engine, producing 256 horsepower and maximum torque of 434 Newton meters. The CX-50 2023 has very good off-road performance, but without sacrificing conventional performance. The effective assistant of the Mazda CX-50 2023 is the MiDrive driving support mode, which provides similar performance in all different terrain conditions. Mazda CX-50 2023 is equipped with standard AWD drive system, aiming for optimal performance. Along with that is the optional Intelligent Drive. Select Intelligent Driving Mode System as standard. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is now available in 10 packages with the addition of the Meridian Edition. Each provides customers a well-equipped vehicle with an impressive list of standard technology and safety features designed to meet their needs, while providing the brand's renowned driving dynamics and enabling drivers to venture further into the outdoors. Updated price for the 2023 Mazda CX-50. CX-50 2.5S, $27,550. CX-50 2.5S Select, $28,950. CX-50 2.5S Preferred, $30,250. CX-50 2.5S Preferred Plus, $32,690. CX-50 2.5S Premium, $35,150. CX-50 2.5S Premium Plus $37,150. CX-50 2.5 Turbo, $37,150. CX-50 2.5 Turbo Meridian Edition, $39,950. CX-50 2.5 Turbo Premium, $40,300. CX-50 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus, $42,300.